show you everything. Yeah. Today we're gonna make some food for elephant. Here, the food right behind you here, and then we're gonna feed them. We're gonna feed them, and we're gonna take them to the bath over there. You know, and then on the bath maybe you will get a little bit dirty, because in the bath they have a mud stand that you have to pick them up, massage elephant. But after that we got the bathroom or toilet that you can get in shower when everything done here. And then when we finish from here on restaurant on the mountain, yeah. After that we take you back to the hotel. But first we give you a little bit information about elephant. This is African elephant and this is Asian, which it means they only have two different kinds on the world. You know, African and Asian, and you know how different between African and Asian that you already can look on the
size.
Yeah. Over there. Đó này mình chú vào mù tí. Được.
Oh, thank you.
I give you a toilet paper. Yeah.
How was your kiss with the elephant, Danielle?
Mate, I got loads of gunk on my face, but I loved it.
Danielle was the first one to have a kiss with elephant. Now we're all just going over, giving them a cuddle, getting a kiss, etc., etc. For a hug. Yes, give me a hug. Hey.
Your motorbike accident here? Enough food. That's good for elephant. Yeah, that's good for elephant. But I've been working with elephant trekking before, and then yeah, they have to walk like maximum 10 hours a day with 3-4 people on the same time. You know, yeah, and that's no good for them. Yeah, that's no good for them.
No.
We feed them. This is like herbal medicine for elephant, which is mean on the side over there. They telling you a meaning. You know, they telling you a meaning if elephant eat. Yeah, we go into jungle and cut the wood, you know, cut the tree like that big behind you over there, and we use elephant to carry the wood outside.
It's tied to his ear.
Yeah, like yeah, and then you hurt them. You know, you have the hook to hurt them if they don't want to work. Like that.
That is strong enough to put.
Yeah. And a lot of people, they don't like to eat pumpkin because the color, you know, the color look like you are, you know.
I like pumpkin.
Yeah, I love pumpkin. Yeah,
So
I can eat them every day.
The elephants wouldn't eat it without you cooking it.
Well, I think if they don't have a choice, you know, they will.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will. They will.
So we've just made all the elephant food, banana and sticky pumpkin rice.
Really good. Me and Danielle tried it and it tastes amazing. It's pumpkin, mushed up and sticky rice.
Salt and sugar.
Salt and sugar.
And banana
beautiful.
skins with banana.
Oh.
And now we're just going to feed the elephants what we made them. Just about to feed some elephants.
One go.
Oh!
One go.
Anyone else want to go, Dad?
He's a hungry one, isn't he?
Oh, I love it. So good. They're just so beautiful. So beautiful.
Glad we done this?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, such a great day out.
And it's so nice that they've only got three elephants here, so they're all being looked after really, really well.
Yeah, it's really ethnical. They're really well looked after. They're washed, they're bathed, they're fed. It's not no trekking one. We've done our
And there's
research.
not just loads of elephants not being cared
And
to.
there's a small group as well. There's only about 15 to 20 people here, so they're not overcrowded.
Yeah.
And they're well looked after. And yeah, we've done our research. We didn't do no jungle trekking. We've come to a really nice natural elephant care sanctuary in Koh Samui. So right now we're going to bath the elephants. Oh my god, it's proper muddy. Oh, it's slippery, isn't it? Oh no.
Baby!
So right now we're just scrubbing down the elephants. Got a whole squad here.
Oh, he loves the bath! He loves bath. Let me wipe your head.
These elephants are going wild right now. So the elephants have just washed and now they're going to roll in the sand to protect their skin again. Yeah, that would be a good picture actually. Yeah, so the elephants are now just rolling around in the dirt for protection. And now they've just gone back for a bath in the water. Having a lot of fun, look really healthy, playing like a little happy family. That's the male.
Yeah.
Happy.
The male, is that the male?
Yeah, that's right.
Dominant.
We're going now, heading towards our lunch, nice prepared lunch by the staff. Everyone getting in the jeep. Just heading to the restaurant now. Took about a 15-minute drive from the elephant sanctuary up into the mountains. Nice scenic route, nice scenic views. And yeah, we just made it to the restaurant now, walking in.
And now I feed you now. Yeah.
This food looks so good. This is chicken soup. What is it? It is chicken soup.
Yeah, I think it's chicken soup. Yeah.
This is chicken curry. This is drumsticks. This is another chicken curry. And then we have some beautiful spring rolls and fruit down there.
And what's in this little pot over here, Kylie?
Oh, boiled rice.
Hello, little man.
Hello, mate.
Or female.
Got a guest.
Are you hungry? Actually, guys, that's the end of today's vlog. We've had a great day at the elephant sanctuary, bathing them, washing them, feeding them. Had a little cooking lesson as well. But yeah, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, thanks for coming back. Leave some comments down below. We'd like to hear your feedback. Let us know what you want to see and stuff like that, etc, etc. And we'll see you again in the next one. Peace.
Bye.